We are going to make... What are we going to make? What are we making?
Green frog.
A green frog. Yep. Who is it for?
Me.
For you. How many ounces do you think it takes? 4? Maybe.
I love 4.
You love 4?
Yeah. I love my age.
You love your age?
This is bigger. Actually, this is bigger. Could have a
Do you think
head.
it's going to take 4? Maybe 5?
Maybe 5. Maybe this.
Oh.
That 5.
What?
Maybe 5.
Maybe 1, maybe 5?
Yep. Maybe it has to be 5. Maybe it has to
Let's
be
do 5 just in case, okay?
It does.
Okay, you got to keep your little hands over this way, okay?
Yeah. But I only have different hands.
Yeah, well maybe I'll make 6 just in case.
You have the same hands I have.
Yeah, I have 2. They're just bigger.
2 and 2. You have 2 and 2.
Okay, what's 2 and 2 then?
You have different fingers.
Yeah, I have 10 fingers, just like you.
Everyone has 10 fingers.
Yeah.
Why?
We just do.
Maybe some also have 4 fingers. Like 4 fingers. Like grab it with 4 fingers and do it off and have to
What?
Maybe some people have 4 fingers.
Do you think some people have only 4 fingers?
Yeah. Actually, some do.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. Some
Really?
people have 4 and 5 and 6 and...
And what? 10?
And...
Oh, 20. Well, it's with their feet and their hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you, Gigi?
4!
You're 4. Do you like to be 4?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we ate this, we have different hands.
Oh, 4 hands?
If you have donut, if you have your eggs, you have donut pink.
Really?
Damn. I mean, donut fingers. Drink. And don't tell me that you're sticky hands
Oh, they're not. These aren't sticky.
anymore.
I didn't touch anything sticky.
Oh,
Yeah, I didn't.
only on that hand.
Yeah. That's why I have gloves.
Yeah.
Should we add in your glitter and your color?
Yeah, and I put in the glitter.
Okay, we got to be really careful. Let me turn this off for a second. No. Wait.
And the only holding it.
Okay.
Only grabbing glitter.
You're just grabbing the glitter.
This is Dicky.
Okay. You're putting in fruit green. How many drops? 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Because 1 fell in before, but you do count with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's do this. What else are we going to make? Because I know we're going to have extra. Oh, yeah, we're going to have lots of extra. Okay, let me take off the lid. Let me take off the lid, then you pour it in.
Okay.
But not too much.
Okay.
Okay, we don't want to put
I'm
in.
going to do 4.
No. You just put in a little bit, okay? Let Mommy help you.
I'm going to do 4 dots.
Okay, 1,
2,
2, ooh. 3,
3,
and 4.
4.
Okay. This is going to be the coolest frog in the entire world.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The coolest green one.
The coolest green frog in the entire world.
Yeah.
And it's going to be whose frog?
Mine.
Yours.
Yeah, I love green.
You love green.
Can dino color?
It's dino color.
Frog.
Isn't it frog color?
Yeah, green.
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
it's done.
Okay. Now put in
Okay.
the bog.
Now put in the frog.
Ooh, don't see.
Yep. Oh, watch out. Don't move that. Careful. Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
Say hello, everyone.
I think my blog.
You see your frog?
And the cup.
And the cup? Okay. So, what we need to do, where is the alcohol?
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. Let's spray our little frog friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
A mold one. A mold frog.
Mm-hmm.
And
what's his name going to be?
Um,
let's put this in.
Jumpy?
Jumpy?
Actually, it has to be green.
Green.
A green name.
A green name. How about?
Greenie. Or
Green.
Bikey.
Or Spiky?
Or Bikey. Bikey is a dino name.
A
I
dino
already
name?
named it one of my toys Bikey. My dino one.
Your dino one.
My dino one named Bikey.
Hmm.
And I love Bikey so much.
You love Spiky.
It has to be, I guess it has to be,
Oops.
him
Bumpy.
And him gonna be, and him
What
gonna
is
have
it?
4 names.
4 names?
Yeah.
Okay. First name.
Greenie.
Greenie?
Yeah,
Okay.
cause I love green.
Because you love green. Okay.
Yeah.
Green's a good color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And white. And yellow. I'm gonna go with his other name.
What?
I guess it has to be Spiky, my dino.
Spiky like your dino?
Yeah. But his name has to be Sally.
Shelly?
Yeah, its actual name is Sally.
Oh, I think we have to make a turtle. Because we have a lot of resin left.
Yep. Yeah. You have donut wedding.
Yeah. 'Cause it's fun.
Can we get like donut wedding things?
Yep. So why are we going underneath here? Why does Mommy do that?
Could it be dirty?
No.
Cause why?
I do it because so I can get the bubbles that could be hiding underneath there.
Oh.
Yeah.
And at the neck.
Yeah?
A bit. Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's do the edges.
Okay.
Let's get rid of some of these bubbles. So bye-bye, bubbles.
Bye bye. I love popping bubbles.
Yeah, with your hands, but not these bubbles.
Yeah. Only back ones.
Bath ones, or the ones that you blow, like in the backyard or something?
The one in the backyard and in the bath
Yeah, in the bath, yeah.
too.
That's fun, huh?
Yeah, the bath one of my 2 favorite.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
bye, Mr. Frog.
Bye, Mr. Frog. We will see you when you try.
Yeah, when it's cured, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Yeah, try it, kid.
Okay.